Good afternoon, everyone. So, today we discuss our second topic matrices. The matrices weightage will be the 8 marks. Because you have not studied earlier matrices, so this topic is totally unknown for you, and this is totally new topic for you. Now, what is the meaning of matrices? So, before proceeding for the matrices, we have to take a revision of little bit determinants. So, you have studied the determinant topic. So, in the determinant, what we are doing? We are written entries in two vertical lines. Suppose there are entries A, B, C, D. So, this contain first row, first column, this contain first row, second row, first column and second column. So this is called 2 by 2 determinant. So same as in the matrices, it is denoted by a square bracket. In determinant, we are denoted by two vertical lines. Matrices is denoted by two square bracket. For example, suppose A be any matrix. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this matrix there are two rows, suppose R1 and R2, and there are two columns C1 and C2. So this matrix called 2 by 2 matrix. Second example, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this matrix contains three rows R1, R2 and R3. Similarly, it contains three columns C1, C2 and C3. So that it is called 3 by 3 matrix. Next example, suppose B is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. So this matrix contains two rows R1 and R2 and three columns C1, C2 and C3. So this is called 2 by 3 matrix and so on. See, whenever we have studied determinant, so in the determinant we have studied only 2 by 2 determinant and 3 by 3. But in the matrices there will be 2 by 3, 3 by 2 also, because in the matrices number of rows and number of columns are equal also and are unequal also. Now using this matrices concept, there are some types of matrices. So we are studied some types which are most important for us now. So first type is square matrix. What is the meaning of square matrix? Let A be any matrix having equal number of rows and columns, then it is called square matrix. So simple. Square means what? It look like a square. So if any figure is look like a square, it means their all dimensions are same. So there are two rows and two column. So for example, suppose A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1. Then it contains two rows and two column. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. So this is the example of square matrix. Now suppose second example, B is equal to suppose matrix 5. So this contain first row and first column. So this contain first row, first column. So this is also example of square matrix. This is also called singleton matrix also, because it contain a single entry. Now next example, suppose the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this matrix contain three rows R1, R2 and R3 and three columns C1, C2 and C3. So this is called 3 by 3 matrix. So these are the examples of square matrix. Now next example, next type is rectangular matrix. So now tell me how the rectangular matrix defined. The simple, the matrix contain different number of rows and columns, then it is called rectangular matrix. For example, suppose A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. So this contain two rows and three columns. Two rows and three column. Always remember, first we denote rows and then we denote column. So this is a rectangular matrix because it looks like a rectangular. Similarly, suppose B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this matrix contain R1, R2, R3 and C1, C2. So this contain three rows, two column. So this is also example of rectangular matrix. Now next example method types is zero matrix. It is also called as null matrix. It is another name also empty matrix. What is the meaning of 0A matrix or null matrix or empty matrix? The simple. The matrix contain all entries are 0. Suppose any matrix, suppose this is 2 by 2 matrix, and in this 2 by 2 matrix there are all elements are 0. Then this is called 0 matrix or null matrix. Similarly for 3 by 3, suppose any 3 by 3 matrix contain all entries are 0, then also it is called 0 matrix. Now next type is diagonal matrix. What is the meaning of diagonal? Diagonal मतलब क्या है? So diagonal means there are a diagonally element. So the diagonal matrix contain only diagonal elements and the remaining all elements are 0. Means for example, A is equal to matrix 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So in this 3 by 3 matrix there are only diagonal elements are lies. See, these are only diagonal elements and remaining all elements are 0. Then this is called diagonal matrix. In 2 by 2 matrix, suppose B is equal to 2 0 0 4. So also this contain only there are diagonal elements are lies and remaining all elements are 0. So this is also example of diagonal matrix. Now next most important matrix is unit matrix or identity matrix, and this is the most important type. Now the matrix contain diagonally 1. 1 means unit and remaining all elements are 0, then it is called unit matrix or identity matrix, and it is denoted by capital I. So identity matrix is always denoted by capital I. So whenever in further future references, whenever we are solving the problems based on the matrices, there are suppose capital I is given. So this capital I is nothing but the unit matrix. Now for example, now in 2 by 2 matrix, the unit matrix is 1 0 0 1. So there are diagonally 1 element, remaining are 0. So this is the example of 2 by 2 unit matrix. Similarly for 3 by 3, there will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So in this matrix there are diagonally 1 1 1 and remaining all elements of 0. So this is the example of 3 by 3 unit matrix or 3 by 3 identity matrix, and these two matrices are very important because we are solving the problem based on these two matrices, that will be the 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix.